Okay guys, today what we're going to do on this episode is going to give you a bit of an update of what's happening on Ross's vehicle. Now if you remember, it was stolen ages ago in Melbourne. It was stolen from his farm, they took it for a joyride, and after that they tossed the match in, they burnt it down. So since then we've been actually getting the restoration of this vehicle up and running. Alf, his son, and the rest of the mountain of people that are actually helping have been brilliant at getting this car getting back together. So we're giving you a bit of an update on what's been happening so far now, and we're going to run you through the update that's been happening with the body, the paint, and then we're going to go to the engine, and then from there we'll show you where we're at. Now this vehicle should be ready very soon, and it will be presented after that, but at this point this is where we're at. There are loads of people that have lent their support and making sure that this all happens. So as we go through this video we'll mention them, but check this out and check what we're up to.